how are you today?
I'm really good, and you?
Me too. And how are you?
I'm wonderful. Having a wonderful time.
Me too.
Yes.
Nice to meet you today.
Same to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, my name is James.
My name is Bob.
Bob.
Yeah.
Bob.
Bob.
Really?
Yeah. And you?
My name is Yvonne.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. So, which country did you come from?
I come from Canada.
Canada. And you?
Canada as well.
From the same.
Yeah. We come from the province of Quebec. And the city is called Montreal.
I just like to argue something. How about the weather in your country?
The weather?
Yeah.
It was when I left, the snow was melting because it was winter, and but it's the end of winter. Spring is starting soon. But in Montreal, there's a lot of snow, and it's very cold. It can get 4 weeks ago, before you left, it was minus 40 Celsius.
Minus
temperature.
degree.
Yeah.
Minus 40
Yeah,
degrees.
and when I left Thursday, it's like 5 days ago, it was 5 degrees. So it's
But-
melting now. So it's above zero. So the snow is melting.
And
I see.
during the summer is really warm.
It's like this.
We can have 30, 35 degrees. So we can have during the summer 30, 35 degrees, and during the winter minus 30, 35 degrees.
I
So
see.
many difference from one season to the other.
And would you like to know about us in Laos?
Yes?
In Laos, the winter is start from the December. The December is very cold. December and is the start the summer season. Summer season is from the May.
Oh yeah, the
June.
summer
Yeah.
starts.
And what's the temperatures about? When it's coldest? When
About maybe about 9.
9?
Yeah. In the northern of Laos, in my hometown, it's until the 12. In the
12.
one year, yeah,
12?
12 temperature.
Okay.
Where do you come from?
I was come from in Ho Chi Minh province,
Oh,
near the Vietnam border. I moved here. I moved to Vientiane for 8 years ago.
okay.
In the past, I am a monk, like him.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we study together.
And now, when you finish your study, you stop being a monk.
Yeah, because I study continue accounting and finance.
Yes. And now your hair are longer.
Yeah.
You have more hair.
Yeah, long hairs. In the past, we have been chair hair
Yeah.
1 month per 1 month.
Okay.
Okay.
Each month
Yeah.
you cut your hair. Every month.
Is it always on the same day?
Yeah.
Yes.
And this is your first time in Laos?
Yes. First time in Laos. I was in Vietnam before, in 2001, and actually I had a friend in Vietnam who used to go to Laos all the time, and he used to go motorbiking in Laos from Vietnam, and he used to say that Laos is the far west of the far east.
That's nice.
This you visit the Ho Chi Minh City.
Yes, I started in Hanoi, and then to Da Nang, and, or Nha Trang,
That's right.
Nha Trang, and then Hanoi. Sorry, Ho Chi Minh.
Saigon.
Yeah, and yeah. So I visited the Mekong and right at the end, and now I see the Mekong a little bit more in the middle.
Yeah.
The Mekong River.
Yeah.
I would like to tell you about my life. After my school, I go to work at my pastime.
Okay.
I working at the restaurant near
Okay.
Mekong River.
What
Now,
kind of cuisine? Is it Lao restaurant? Lao cuisine?
Lao restaurant, but there are so many foreigners visit there.
Okay.
Yeah.
what's
So-
the name of the restaurant?
The name is McGrill Restaurant. In front of the in Pang Temple.
Okay. This is in Vientiane? No.
In Vientiane, in the
Okay.
town of Vientiane.
So you know how to make sticky rice.
Yeah, I know. I know already.
พ่อเราว่า5
Work
นา
at
ทีเลย
restaurant in the kitchen. You cook or you serve.
I am sure.
Okay.
I'm not a cooker.
Okay.
Yeah. But I can do something I can do.
Okay.
Yeah, about the grill and about the beef or barbecue I can do.
Wow, really good.
And my friend he making a cocktail. Do you know cocktail?
No?
About the cocktail, about the wine and its rating of the alcohol.
Okay.
Yeah, about this. For example, apple shake. You know apple shake. It's like the fresh apple.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fresh apple.
Yeah,
Apple shake.
apple shake.
Apple shake.
Okay.
And lemon and we have strawberry. Yeah.
ฮอดเลยพ่อเหรอ
Uh,